National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Varna, or 8 miles northeast of Lincoln, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Marseilles, Oglesby, Seneca, Wayona, South Streator, Tonka, Grand Ridge, Cornell, Lawston, Ransom, Rutland, Cedar Point, Kangley, Long Point, Dana, and Leonore. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 54. Interstate 55 between mile markers 199 and 204. This includes Illini State Park, Mathewson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio.